The Gond are a Dravidian ethno-linguistic group. They are the native speakers of the Gondi language, which belongs to Dravidian language family. They are one of the largest tribal groups in India. They are spread over the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, and Odisha. They are listed as a scheduled tribe for the purpose of Indian system of positive discrimination. They are an Adivasi group or indigenous people of India. Many astrological ideas were known to ancient Gonds. Gonds had their own local terms for the sun, moon, Milky Way, and constellations. Most of these ideas were based for their timekeeping calendar activities. Majority of Gond people still worship nature, but like many other tribes in India, Gonds can also be seen following different religions. After the major influence of Hinduism in tribal areas, some of them started following Hindu religion. Gonds are originally connected with nature. Their pantheon represents all the aspects of nature. Bedadev, the greatest of all gods, is represented by a saja tree. Thakurdev is associated with the pakri tree. The god Karma, Karmadev, who is represented by the karma tree. Gonds believe in the supernatural forces. Their protectors are the spirits, the gods, and the goddesses who keep them away from harm. Their songs, dance forms, myths, legends, folk tales, customs, and rituals reflect a close bond with nature and are all interrelated. Oral narratives like the Gondwani and Ramayani hold the community together. The Gond creation myths tells of the greatest of gods, Brahmadev, who fashioned the earth and every creature on it. There are myths about the origin of the Gond kings of different trees. Brahmadev is believed to live in the Saja tree. As such, the Saja tree is the most sacred tree of the Gonds. Badadev is invoked under a Saja tree by a Gond musician called Pardhan. The Pardhans are musicians and storytellers of the Gonds. For ages, they have carried collective memory of the Gond communities. A Pardhan invokes Bedadev by sitting under a Saja tree and playing a musical instrument called Bana. On listening to this melodious sound of the Bana and the song sung by the Pardhan, Bedadev awakes from his long sleep and comes down. He is offered liquor and the sacrifice of a goat. Sometimes a goat is dedicated to him a year beforehand, and it is allowed to wander loose in the village in the name of Buradev. The Gonds were seven brothers. They sowed jute in the field. In a few days, the jute began to grow. One day, they saw a handsome young man galloping on his horse right through their field. The hoofs were trampling the jute saplings. They rushed behind the young man. The youngest brother was so scared that his stomach got upset. He went to the nearby ditch and relieved himself. The other six brothers chased the horseman. The field was quite big. At the edge of it was a saja tree. Seeing the gaunt brothers chasing him, the horseman went under the saja tree and disappeared into it, along with his horse. The Gaunts saw him vanish into the tree. They instantly understood that it was none other than their god Betadev, who came riding through their field on his white horse. How unfortunate they are that they couldn't recognize him. Now he was angry with them. He has disappeared into the saja tree. They erected a platform under the tree. They offered lentils, sacrificed a white rooster, sprinkled liquor, folded their hands in prayer, went on pleading. But Betadev was angry. He did not come out of the tree. At this point, the youngest brother turned up. He found out what happened, and he said that he will find a way, and it might please Betadev. He made a one-stringed instrument from the wood and started playing on it and began to sing. The notes began to resound in the woods. In the song, he began to sing and praise the glory of Betadev. Listening to the song, Betadev was pleased, and he made an appearance in the trunk of the tree. He blessed the youngest brother by placing his hand on his head and said, "Whenever you sing my song, playing this instrument, I will make an appearance. This instrument of yours will be called Bana." Betadev accepted everyone's offerings and once again vanished into the tree. Since that time, the youngest brother came to be known as Pardan, and he played the Bana to please Betadev. He gave up working on the field. The remaining six brothers decided to take care of his daily needs. Once a year, the Pardan visits his gaunt patrons in order to narrate the mythical stories and invoke Betadev under the tree. The gaunt patron repays the Pardan story singer with grains, jewelry, clothes, and utensils.
जहाँ एक और आधुनिक सभ्यता के प्रभाव के कारण आदिवासी बैगा समाज की परंपरा और संस्कृति नष्ट होते जा रही है। वही कवर्धा जिले के पंडरिया विकास खंड में आज भी अपना परंपरा और संस्कृति को बचाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। कौन सा समाज के हो?
बैगा।
जो झाड़ फूक करथो आप मन के परंपरा है का?
हाँ।
तो जैसे तबीयत खराब होते तो कैसे करथो?
108 गाड़ी वाला थन तब नहीं आवे तो झाड़ फूक करथन तो बन जाते,
ठीक हो जाते।
ठीक हो जाता।
आपन कौन सा समाज के हो दीदी?
बैगा सामान की बैगिन बाई
तो ये का चीज है जो गुथा थो तेला का कहते हैं?
बीरन
एला कैसे करथो दीदी?
एला बनात हन ऐसे गाँत हन और नाचे जात हन सब लगात हन।
और बिक्री घला करथो कोई लेथे ते?
हाँ लेते ता बेच देत हन 200-300 में।
शादी वादी में भी पहन थो एला?
हाँ
रीना कर्म काबर मनात हो?
हमार सगा में से नहीं बनाते
कौन सा गमे?
बैगा सगा।
आप मन के दादा परदादा पूर्वज मन से मन के परंपरा है?
हाँ
जाथो जे गांव में तो काकर साथ में नाचतो? लड़की के मन साथ नाचतो या लड़का मन के साथ?
लड़का मन के साथ नाचते।
आप मन ये बाल ला काबर रखथो भाई?
आपको बैगा आदिवासी से बाल रखे से बहुत परीक्षा है और मानता है।
और बाल नहीं रखे से का होते?
बाल नहीं रखे से जानकारी नहीं आते।
अच्छा, आपके जाति के जानकारी के लिए बाल रखते हो?
हाँ
ये गोदना ला कब के गोधा है इसनों ने?
12 साल।
12 साल के रहे तब के?
हाँ
और नी गोधा में समाज का थे?
नहीं शादी करे।
शादी नहीं करे, नहीं मांगे। इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैं ये संदेश देना चाहती हूँ, बैगा आदिवासी समाज के भाई बहन अपने परंपरा संस्कृति को बचाने का प्रयास करें। मैं दीना गणवीर, ग्राम छीरपानी, ब्लॉक पंडरिया, जिला कवर्धा, छत्तीसगढ़, इंडिया अनहट के लिए।
The imagery of the seal is similar to the Gond legend just described. The deity in the tree, who has often been termed as a tree spirit, can very easily be thought of as the Gond deity Bedadev, appearing in the trunk of the tree. The kneeling worshipper appears to be a Gond priest. The 7 primal Gond brothers can be seen at the bottom. The pedestal in front of him has an object which resembles the tray used in traditional Hindu pujas, in which the holy fire burns. The animal behind the kneeling worshipper has already been identified by scholars as a wild goat which belongs to the banks of Indus River. The goat is probably being offered as a sacrifice to the tree spirit. This agrees with the Gond custom of offering a goat as a sacrifice to Bedadev. The central figure in the Pashupati seal from the Indus Valley civilization of 2500 BC appears to be sitting in Mula Bandhasana. Pashupati means the lord of the beasts. The animals found in the seal are buffalo, rhinoceros, elephant, and the tiger. The most interesting part of the Pashupati seal is that the seated yogi wears a horned headdress with a leafy branch in the center. This reflects the Gond artistic style. The Gonds still adorn their gods and heroes with a horned headdress. Even as far away as Tripura, the Bodo tribes worship a horned Buradev, which means old god. The Buradev, the chief of the 14 Devatas of the ancient kings, was a horned god like the one depicted in Mohenjo-daro seal. It has been noted by scholars that the seated yogi of the Pashupati seal looks similar to the tree spirit of the sacrifice seal. Both of them are wearing a horned headdress and bangles. The visual similarities suggest that they may represent the same deity.
ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଗନ୍ଧମାର୍ଦ୍ଦନ ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ସମେତ ପଶ୍ଚିମ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ବସବାସ କରୁଥିବା ତଳି ସମ୍ପ୍ରଦାୟର ଗଣ୍ଡା ଜାତି ମାନଙ୍କର ବୀର୍ତ୍ତିଆ ଏକ ବିଶେଷ ଶ୍ରେଣୀ। ଏମାନେ ଗଣ୍ଡା ଜାତିର ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ପରେ ଏହି ଗଣ୍ଡା ସମ୍ପ୍ରଦାୟ ପାଖରୁ ଦାନ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରନ୍ତି, ଯେଉଁମାନଙ୍କର ପରମ୍ପରା ରୀତିରିବାଜ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭାବରେ ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣବାଦୀ ପରମ୍ପରା ଠାରୁ ଭିନ୍ନ। ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଆଜି ଏଇଟା କାଣା କରୁଛନ୍?
ଆଜି ଆମର୍ ବାପା ଥିଲେ ବେଲେ ସେମାନେ ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ହେଇଗଲେ ବୋଲି ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କର ଦାନ ଦକ୍ଷିଣା କିଛି ଯେନ୍ଟା ହେଲା ମୋର ହାତେ ପାତେ ବେଲେ ମୋର ବୀର୍ତ୍ତିଆ ପୁରଖା ପତିରୁ ସେ ନଉଛେ ବୋଲି ମୁଇଁ ତାକେ କିଛି ଦାନ ଦକ୍ଷିଣା ଦେଇକରି ତାନୁ ପାର ହେଇଛି।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନାଁ କାଣା ଆଜ୍ଞା?
କୁମର ବୀର୍ତ୍ତିଆ ବେଲେ ଏଇଟା ଗଣ୍ଡା ମାନଙ୍କର ତାଙ୍କର ଜାତିର ତାଙ୍କର ଦାନ ନଉଛନ୍।
ଆପଣ ଏ ଦାନଟା କେଭୁ ନେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍?
ଏଇଟା ପୁରଖା ପତି
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବାପା ବି ନଉଥିଲେ। ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଏ ଗଣ୍ଡା ଜାତିର ଲୋକମାନେ ମରିଗଲା ପରେ ଏ ଦାନଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦଉଛନ୍। ଆପଣ କେତେ ଗାଁରେ ନଉଛନ୍ ଏଇଟା?
ଆମର ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସମୟରେ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ପାଇକମାଲ ଥାନା, ଝାରବନ୍ଦ ଥାନା, ବଦରପୁର ଥାନା ଏଇଟା।
From this analysis, we come to a conclusion. Both of these figures represent Badadev or Mahadev, who was known by many names such as Guradev, Shambhu, Pashupati, Dakshinamurti, and Yogishwar.
चलो मावली का पाठ मावली का पाठ बजाओ।